Masti cake!
Assalamualaikum, friend. We're going to Makkah in few days.
Umrah is one of the pilgrimages Muslims go for. It is a great spiritual journey where you connect with Allah. Umrah requires all Muslims to wear Ihram.
Think of it as a uniform.
Friends, we're gonna practice wearing Ihram today, starting with Ishmael. So during the flight, we can wear it in the airplane without having difficulty, okay? So we're gonna practice some. We have two pieces of Ihram. They're both the same length, the top piece and the bottom piece. And there's a belt to hold it together. So let's start with the bottom piece. And when you wear the Ihram, you're not required to wear anything else underneath it. So no underpants, no nothing, okay? We'll just take it off. But for the practice here, I'm gonna show you how it's done. So wrap it here, and then we're gonna wrap it twice right in front like this. So it covers up nicely. We're gonna roll it down. Hold your hands up, Ishmael. Turn. You're gonna roll it down nicely. And it has to be covering your belly button and has to cover up to knees, okay? It cannot expose those areas. But otherwise, like this, and this is in place, and we're gonna put the belt on right here so it doesn't fall down, and we can make it tighter as needed. So this one stays in place, okay? So this is how it's done. All right, hands down, Ishmael. Now this is the second piece, and we're gonna wrap it right over the shoulder, and we're gonna expose the right shoulder, okay? So right shoulder will stay exposed during the Umrah. So this is how it's going to be, like this. And obviously when Ishmael is wearing the Ihram, he's gonna take off his shirt, his socks, pants, underpants, everything will go away, and it will be this look. Excited? All right, Isaac, your turn. Ishmael, move over. Oh, and Ishmael will wear these sandals, and these sandals, we'll take them off before going to the mosque, right? Getting inside the mosque, we'll take them off.
How to wear Ihram. Spread legs a little, about shoulder width apart. Wrap it around this way. It has to cover belly button to knees. We'll wrap the fabric over it. Give it a few turns so it stays in place, and we'll use a belt to hold it in place. You need to expose right shoulder during tawaf. This is the sunnah of Prophet, or the practice of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. For men and boys in Ihram, you don't wear shoes or socks or any undergarments. It is just you and your Ihram in connection with Allah. Ihram for women or girls include your regular modest clothes and hijab.
So this is going to be your Ihram look.
State of Ihram. These are the things that are not allowed in the state of Ihram. You can't have a nail clipper. You can't have perfume. And you can't have a hat. And you cannot slaughter or hunt an animal.
Other things that are not allowed in the state of Ihram are plucking hair, fighting with others, lying, or doing anything bad.
Can't wait to go. We'll connect with you in Makkah. See you next time.